Hello and welcome to the Duckback training series. I'm Adam Bell.
I'm Danny Newman, and today we'll be covering the change from Duckback Super Deck to Duckback Water-Based Exterior Stain and Sealer. So why did we make this transition? Well, it was really looking at the full exterior wood care category and what the strategy would be to make sure that we can meet the needs of all the customers that were out there. Research really shined a light on all of the customer bases, and we have these 5 segments. So we, at that premium space, those who are looking for that oil-based technology and those really pro results, we're going towards Cabot and Super Deck oil. Then we had Thompson's that was meeting that minimal maintainer, practical protector, but we had this whole middle category that we didn't have a solution for. So to make sure that we were able to meet these customers, those inquiring value seekers, those looking for beauty, but not quite ready to make the commitment of that top of the line Cabot product, those are the customers that we're really looking at for this Duckback water-based product. And so those who are looking for really, it's a DIY product, looking for water-based at that mid-price point.
So I'll borrow one of my coworkers, Solbert's phrase, in this ocean of oils out there. So we had a redundancy to market. We had an oil, and an oil. And we saw the need to have a project-driven, DIY-focused product, which is the new Duckback. And I've been out there using kind of a philosophy, which is explain, train, and show. It seems to work fairly well, but explaining what happened if you had the old Super Deck, what happened to that Super Deck, and the why. And then training on the new Duckback product. What's the one thing that we're always looking for out there in the field is separation from our competition. What makes us unique? And in a redundancy of oils, we had nothing to offer you at that time. Now we do, and we're the first ones out there with a premium water-based product, which is fantastic. So I think just using the explain, train, and show, and then the demo boards that we did together on that live event, I think is just an invaluable tool to show actually what it looks like on the wood. And I had those boards that I did it was a year and 9 months ago that I take with me. So I call them my show-off boards. That you should see the impact that has. So where I live at 6,200 feet, having those boards out there for 1 year, 9 months, during the winter on the ground face up, in the summer on that south-facing side of the house, that's proof in the pudding. So the explain, train, and show seems to work fairly well.
That seeing is believing, and you are so right that with that oils, we are really like competing against ourselves. So this really gives us that new opportunity, new space with this Duckback product. Thank you, Adam. Thank you for spending some time with us today. And as always, remember, Duckback Exterior Stain and Sealer, easy to use and easy to love.